Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Spotify playlist on a PC. First, open Spotify and go to your library section. Here you can see your playlists. Now select the playlist that you want to delete. Once the playlist is open, look for the three dots menu. Click on the three dots to open the available playlist options. From this menu, look for the delete option. When you select delete, Spotify may ask you to confirm that you want to delete the playlist. Read the confirmation message carefully before continuing. If you are sure that you want to remove the playlist, select the delete or confirm option. The playlist will then be removed from your Spotify account. After deleting it, go back to your library and check your playlists. You should no longer see the deleted playlist in your library. Keep in mind that deleting a playlist is different from removing a single song from a playlist, so make sure you select the correct playlist before confirming the deletion. For this tutorial, it is a good idea to use a test playlist if you do not want to accidentally delete an important playlist. And that's how you can delete a Spotify playlist on a PC. If this guide was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.